All right. Well, thank you everybody for having me here. So for today's topic, I'll be talking about Oracle Apex. Apex stands for Application Express, just in case you weren't aware of that. But yeah, let me just go ahead and begin. But just a little bit about myself. So my name is Valeria Meza, and I am an application developer over at Oracle. And I've been in this field for about 3+ years now, and I love it. I enjoy problem solving, even if it makes me want to pull my hair sometimes. But I really enjoyed, you know, you know, learning and just solving the puzzles. So just a little bit about myself. So what is Oracle Apex? Well, I want to get started about what it's not, because this is what I hear whenever I tell people what I do. If I just say Apex, they'll say, "Oh, Apex Legends, like the game?" And I'm just like, "No, not the game." Or Salesforce Apex, the programming language, like you do that? And I'm like, no, I don't do that. So that's why we have to put Oracle at the front. So Oracle Apex, so it's clear what I do. So I'll tell you what it is. So it's a low-code development platform, and it's basically used to build applications. And it's also a platform that helps developers focus on solving complex problems, right? And then Apex really just handles the rest for you. So just a little bit about it. Now, some of the main things about to know about Oracle Apex. So the first one, it's web-based development. So all you really need to get started is a browser. Doesn't matter which one, just pick one and you're good to go. It's a low-code platform, so you can develop your applications in a declarative way. So that is being used with what we call the app builder. So it's an interface with drag and drop functionalities, which is really nice because if you're a top tier developer or someone that does not know anything about development, it's easy for you to learn and start building your application. So it's really neat. It's very database driven, so Apex is integrated with the Oracle database. So if you work with an Oracle database, it either comes with it or you can easily install it in your database. And it really helps leverage all the data storage and manipulation capabilities with Oracle database, and it makes the data management very efficient. So it has a responsive design out of the box, which is really nice. Because I don't know about many of you, but I do not like working with CSS. So having to work with scaling or centering a div, this comes out of the box, which I love. So all of your different screen sizes will automatically scale for you. So that provides a very consistent UX for your users. And then lastly, rapid development, right? So like I mentioned, Apex is low code, so it reduces a lot of complexities that do come with traditional development, and it just helps us as developers really focus on complex problems, and allows us to really develop and deploy applications quicker. All right, demo time. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what I mean. This is exactly what's going to be what we call your IDE, I guess you can say. All you need is a web browser. So this is what it looks like. So just to keep it simple, I'm just going to show you how quickly it is it takes to build an application. So we go to App Builder, and we go to Create. There's different ways that you can create an application, but for simplicity here, we're going to create an application from a CSV file. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a file. Pick this file here, some cool tunes. It's going to load the data for us. So this is a few rows that I had in that CSV file. It's going to put them in a nice table for you. And it's going to ask you, okay, do you have an existing table, or do you want to create a new table with this from the CSV file that you provided for us? I'm going to create a new one. So we're going to go ahead and do so. You do have the option to keep the identity column that it created for you, or a sysguid. I'm just going to keep it by default. Once you do that, you can preview. You can configure and check to see, okay, what data types do you want these columns to be. So you can do that here, or you can do it later. I think I'm fine with these, so I'm just going to go ahead and save the changes. I'm pretty satisfied with everything I see here. You can choose to preview your data again, just to see like how it's going to be inserted into the table. This looks fine, so I'm going to go ahead and load the data. So it's going to go ahead and create the table, load that data. 15 rows inserted. Now we're good to create, good to go and create an application off of that table. All right. So we're creating the application. Shouldn't take very long, hopefully. So here, it's going to take you here, and it's going to tell you like, okay, so I mean, what do you want to start this application? So it's going to give you some starter pages for you. Apex provides a bunch of features that out of the box that you can use. Sure, I want them all. And we're just going to go ahead and create the application. Awesome. So it created the application for us. It created all these pages for us. And we just run the application. We run the application. We have signing capabilities out of the box. So this is really nice. So if I remember my password. And we're in. We built an application in how long? Not that very long, right? But yeah, you can, essentially this is what it gave you, like just some examples of like what you can use. So it created some charts for you. It created a search that is, you can interact with it like immediately. A report, so you can, start adding, deleting, editing, and that just comes out of the box for you, right? So if you're one of those people that use Excel as your database, there's a quick way to, build an application. But yeah, if anybody is interested to like get started, all you have to do is just go to apex.oracle.com, and that's it. Thank you. Thank you.